So let's first remember steps. We stay here, we lift our arm, then we turn it around, our ghost face, and then we go this way and cross right arm on top. Then we turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4 with slight turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then turn to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello. Then we walk 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, flick together. Forward, back, twist, twist, wave. Step to the side, to the side, to the side, to the side. Swivel, swivel together, wave. And step to the side, 3-step turn, step backward and twist, twist up, forward, forward, side, cross, scrape, wind, and turn around. Come here. Look at this beautiful baby. We finish, turn around. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3-step turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then push 1, 2, 3, 4. Step back 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Head roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross body lead twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then ronde. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you want to repeat some specific part. So let's start with ronde and then twist, okay? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on 7, we need to end up on the right foot. So it's like this. Twist, you push to the right ball of the foot. Then twist, you push to the left ball of the foot. And then you keep this ball of the foot, the left one, and twist straight away to your right. So take a look. You keep ball of the foot and place, like re-step, yes. Then you step diagonally forward this way, 1, 2, then you turn 3, 4, then you step forward, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have half basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, then to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then push, diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, one more time, then side, forward with your side. Yes, then you start like a half basic, but then you cross. Then together, then side, together. Then we have basic step. Great. Then turn to the right. Then our ronde, cross back together. Then side, together, side, ronde pass. Then backward, forward, point. Twist, twist, twist. I think we don't lift it up, but if you want, go ahead. Okay. Then to the side, forward, to the side, forward, turn around, step backward, diagonally, and then up, up, and long one. Okay, so let's try this faster. Ready? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn around. Yes, then we're gonna go cross, ronde, and back and side. Point, half ronde, passé. Then go with your point, twist, twist, twist. Open to the side, turn around, step back, and wave, our favorite one, right? Arm. This is gonna be very slow because it's slowed down version. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half basic, turn gradually. Turn to the right, turn to the left, turn to the right. Walk, 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 walk. To the side, twist, twist, flick. Forward, toe, heel, flick together. Push, swivel, wave, and side steps. And swivel, swivel. Side step forward, 3-step turn. Ready for the twist. Up. And grapevine, turn around. 3-step turn. Push, step, back. Step, turn, and head. 2 crossbody leads. Ronde, and twist, twist, twist. And end up on your right foot. Step, turn, half basic. And side, side. Push twice. Go with your right side. And we'll go cross. Because in here, our chorus, great. Turn to the right. Cross, ronde. Side, close, side passé. And point, twist. Open, turn around, and wave, wave, wave. Woo! Okay, let's add arms. It's not going to be too much, but a little bit extra.